it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today we are doing an inspiration hop for our stamp and die of the month for February. It's a beautiful stamp. I'm going to share it with you. This is a hashtag driven hop. So you'll click on that hashtag N2S Spread Your Wings to open up all the videos in this hop. You'll hop to each one, leave a comment, then come back to my Rafflecopter link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will be open through February 7th through February 13th. I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab on the 15th. So this stamp set is really gorgeous. It's called Spread Your Wings, and I love the imagery in the stamp set. The sentiments read, hope, spread your wings, it's time to fly, sending hugs, whisper I love you to a butterfly, and it will fly to heaven to deliver your message. It's a beautiful sentiment for a sympathy card. And then we have the coordinating die. So it will cut out that gorgeous big butterfly. It will cut out all the sentiments and the images in the set. It also comes on a magnet sheet. This is the card that I created the first time I played with the stamp set. It turned out really pretty. I just used 3 Copic markers and then the green to do the leaves. So today I thought we'd do something different. I thought we'd use the other images in the set and do some ink blending. We have 3 guests using this stamp set this month. So if you haven't checked out the videos, we have Joy from Create It with Joy. She did a beautiful card coloring on vellum and alcohol inks. We also have Charlene, who is Dream Craft Create. She did a stunning card using an embossing technique. And then we also have Kim from Stamping Imperfections, who did some ink blending for her coloring. And that's where I am going to take a page out of her book and do the same technique. So I grabbed some distress inks that I thought might look nice. We have Mowed Lawn, Twisted Citron, Picked Raspberry, Peacock Feathers, and Wild Honey. So I'm going to just play around with my inks, and then we can cut the images out with the die after we stamp over the inked background. And then I want to add some of this wild honey. And some of this teal. So I'm also going to cut out the butterflies. And I want to bring in some green. And I'm going to overlap that orange with the pink. Okay, so I'm going to stamp on top and let's see how that looks. It's kind of very bright, isn't it? I hope this turns out okay. I haven't tried this really to see how it's going to come out, so you're seeing it for the first time along with me. So since I'm not coloring with my Copic markers, I could stamp with my VersaFine Clear. Really like that ink because it's nice and dark. So I'm going to angle this so the green's kind of on the leaves. So this is going to be interesting. This is kind of fun. I'm going to cut this down so I can put it in my MISTI. Ooh, that looks pretty. Step it one more time. It really makes a difference when you stamp on it. That's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to stamp some of the butterflies. Make sure I leave enough room for my dies. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to cut these out with the dies, and I will be back. Look how pretty that is. I am going to mat this on a black card base. I think that'll make the images really pop. So I'm going to get a layer of white and black, and let's see. I'm going to stamp out the sentiment, spread your wings, it's time to fly. Then we'll cut that out with the die. Okay, I've got all my pieces cut out. We could either do portrait or landscape on this card. So it would look like this if it was the landscape. The sentiment in the middle. I'm not really sure which one to do. I like them both. And then if it was portrait, this would be more down here. We'd have this going across the middle, a butterfly up at the top, this one over here. I think I'd like it this way. Let's do that. I'm going to add a little color to the middle piece by doing some splatters. So I'm going to take some of my sprays. So let's put that in my spray box. I think I want to do this gold. So I'm just going to take the back out and just tap on some dots. So I'll let that dry. I want to think if I want to do the same thing to the white panel or not. Let's see. I think I want a few little splatters on there. Just a little. So let's see if I can control myself. And I'm not getting any splatters. Hold on. Okay, I think that's enough. Do more on this one. Okay, so let's let that dry. So what I did is I took some double-sided tape, just a little piece here and here, to center this. That way I can glue this down, and then I'm going to lift that other piece up and pop it up with some foam tape. But this is a trick to glue this down perfectly centered. And now I can lift this up and add some foam tape to the back and then rise it up. Okay, I got my foam and I'm just going to center this on here. Make sure I have it on the right way. Goes this way. Okay, I have my card base all ready. And now for my images. So I can either pop these up. This one's gonna lay inside here. So I could either pop that up. I think I'll pop it up. And then our butterflies. See, I want to think about where I want this one. That. I like it on the side better. I feel like I'm missing something right here in the corner. So I'm wondering if I should just put all the butterflies towards the middle here. Maybe like this. Then it's kind of like a trail down the middle. Does that look more balanced? Yes, I think so. So let's add some foam tape. I got some really skinny foam tape for the middle of this one. So we definitely know where we're going to put our sentiment, so I'm going to add that right here. I think I'm going to pop this up as well. So let me put my magnets down so my card straightens out. I've got foam tape on the back. Let's just position this. So I took out some sparkly gems and some confetti sparkling all the way and just sprinkled it all over the card. And I think that looks so pretty. This was really just a fun card to make, and it came together really quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and get some ideas. There's going to be lots of ideas on the hop on how to use the stamp and die set. So I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. If you'd like to join the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, use the drop-down menu on the listing and choose monthly for your frequency before checking out. You will get your Stamp and Die automatically shipped to you every month. You'll have something fun and crafty to use, and when you join the club, you get 18% off. And I will see you real soon. Bye guys!